Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel, and today we have another LED headlight review from our LED automotive lighting partner, Novsight. So stick around because we will review the Novsight F03 series LED bulbs. This video is proudly supported by Novsight Auto Lighting. Now, just a quick background. The global patent brand Novsight specializes in the design, research and development, production, and sales of automotive lighting products. The company's main products include LED headlight bulbs, LED fog lamps, and other automobile lighting products. This is the Novsight F03 LED headlight bulb. I'm actually using this for over a year now. I can definitely say that I am so impressed with its performance. It has Novsight automotive grade LED chips. These LED bulbs are 90 watts and operates at 11 to 30 volts. It has a light output of 15,000 lumens and a 6000 Kelvin bright white color. The material is made out of red copper and aluminum alloy. It is IP68 waterproof that can last up to 50,000 hours. Now let's go and install this into our 2019 Honda Brio RS. Now let's go and install our LED headlight bulbs. Okay, first we need to remove the H4 headlight socket out from the stock halogen bulb. Then remove the rubber dust cover to get access into the main bulb. Gently unhook the bulb lock and remove the stock halogen bulb. Remove the socket from the LED bulb, then place it inside and then lock it. Now put the rubber dust cover back into place. Then insert the LED bulb into the socket. Just make sure that the LED bulb is inserted all the way through, then rotate the bulb clockwise to lock it in place. And of course, don't forget to connect the H4 harness into the LED driver's H4 connector. Alright guys, one bulb has been installed, let's do the other one. Alright guys, our Novsight F03 is now officially installed. It's time to hit the road and do a test run. Alright, so again guys, we have two cameras set up. The action cam is placed outside to capture the light from the outside, and we have our mobile phone recording from the inside. Like what I've mentioned before, this LED headlight bulb is so impressive. From the first day I've used them and up until now, the light is very bright and lights up the entire road very clearly. Although this model was launched for over a year now, you can get this today on a much cheaper price point. I would really recommend that you get one and experience it yourself. And I'm sure that you will never consider any other brand other than Novsight. So there you have it guys, that's our full review of Novsight F03 LED headlight bulbs. Now if you have any questions, place them into our comment sections below. You can use the special Lazada link to purchase Novsight genuine LED products on a special discounted price. So if you like this video, click the thumbs up button and please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you won't miss any new episodes or new uploads from our channel. Again, thank you so much, Novsight, for partnering with me to test your LED products. So again, this is Dan of Carbits. Stay healthy, drive safe, and God bless, and I'll see you on our next video.